still raining. Good afternoon. Right, well, it's now not raining for a change, and I'm going to I'm thinking about what I'm going to be doing with my new kettle. So I think I shall plan an afternoon tea, and I shall attempt to make a bannock bread. I mean, it looks like a basic recipe. I think I'll fry it first before I try baking it in my camp oven, and see how that goes. And wait until the end of the week though. A few things I've got to do this week. So yeah, bannock bread it is, and tea with my new kettle. I've got a place I think I'd like to go. Well, I've been there before, obviously. We went earlier this year, and but I have a feeling it may be too muddy to set up a day camp. I suppose is what I want to do for this. I could do it in the back garden, but you know, it's much nicer to go down by the river. Anyway, hopefully we'll see. I'll go down and have to test it out, but I'll wear me wellies.